Today I'm going to try out this potato spiralizer kitchen gadget. It comes with 4 skewers, this yellow cutting tool, and the handle. And to use it, we just take a potato, we're going to slide it onto the skewer, but first we need to slide on the cutting tool. Then carefully push the skewer through the middle of the potato. If the skewer goes through at a bit of an angle, you can remove it and try again to get it a bit straighter. Next, push the handle on and into the bottom of the potato. And it should look like this. Now we need to screw the cutting tool down into the potato. Then when the blade reaches the top of the potato, carry on turning and you can see it starts cutting a spiral slice down the potato. Pretty cool, huh? It cuts the potato really easily and it's satisfying to do. Keep going until you get to the bottom, and that's our potato fully sliced. Remove the handle from the skewer and the yellow cutting tool. And there's our spiralized potato. There's a number of ways we can cook it, but I'm sliding this off the skewer and fanning it out across this baking tray. I'm impressed with how even the slices are, and it looks really cool. To cook it, I'm giving it a quick spray with some sunflower oil, grinding over some salt, and I'm also adding a dusting of paprika. Then I put it in the oven on a medium-high heat and left it to cook. If you like to, 5 minutes before it's ready, you can take it back out and grate over some cheese. Then pop it back in the oven and leave it to finish cooking. When it's ready, pull it out, and it looks delicious. I served mine up on a plate, wrapped it around the edge, and placed a jar of dip in the middle. And it's ready to eat. You can just tear off a bit of potato and give it a try. It's great for sharing with a group of friends, and it's a fun alternative to nachos. This kitchen gadget does seem to work really well. But if you want to see another way you can make your own spiral potato without using this gadget, you can take a look at this video I made previously. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. If you want to see more, you can click on the links or take a look at my YouTube channel page. Stay safe, have fun, and as always, thanks for watching.